Welcome back, future doctors. Today we are diving in some challenging and mdcat MCQs to sharpen your knowledge. Let's get started. So the first MCQs is how many types of amino acid are present in the cell? A 170, B 25, C 20, and D 3000. So the correct option is A 170. The next MCQs is a globular protein consisting of more than one polypeptide chain has A. Primary structure, B. Tertiary structure, C. Secondary structure, and D. Quaternary structure. So the correct option is D. The next MCQ is a protein having secondary structure possesses A. Hydrogen bonding, B. Peptide bond, C. Disulfide bond, and D. Both A and B. So the correct option is D. Both A and B. The next MCQ is all of the following are example of fibrous protein except A. Silk fiber, B. Myoglobin, C. Keratin, and D. Fibrin. So the correct option is B. Myoglobin. The next MCQ is which of the following is a complex of globular protein with non-proteinous material? A. Collagen, B. Fibrinogen, C. Albumin, and D. Hemoglobin. So the correct option is C. Hemoglobin. The next MCQ is muscle hemoglobin possesses A. Primary structure, B. Tertiary structure, C. Secondary structure, and D. Quaternary structure. So the correct option is B. Tertiary structure. These are defensive protein: A. Antigen, B. Vaccine, C. Antibodies, and D. Fibrinogen. So the correct option is C. Antibodies. The next MCQ is protein of hair, horns, feathers, and other skin parts are A. Storage protein, B. Structural protein, C. Enzymatic protein, and D. Hormonal protein. So the correct option is B. Structural protein. The next MCQ is identify the protein which cannot be crystallized. A. Antibodies, B. Hemoglobin, C. Fibrin, and D. Enzymes. So the correct option is C. The next MCQ is how many peptide bonds are present in an insulin molecule? A. 49, B. 50, C. 51, and D. 48. So the correct option is A. 49. The next MCQ is usually a polypeptide chain bends and folds upon itself to form a globular shape. This is proteins: A. Primary conformation, B. Tertiary conformation, C. Secondary conformation, and D. Quaternary conformation. So the correct option is B. Tertiary conformation. The next MCQ is which level of protein structure maintains the helix shape of enzyme? A. Primary, B. Secondary, C. Tertiary, and D. Quaternary, and E, I, and B. So the correct option is A. B. Secondary. The next MCQ is which one of the following is used in synthesis of nucleic acid, hormones, coenzymes, and amino acids for protein synthesis? A. Carbon, B. Hydrogen, C. Oxygen, and D. Nitrogen. So the correct option is A. Carbon. The next MCQ is enzyme are molecules of one of the following group of biomolecules. Mark the correct answer which can also be defined as a biological catalyst. A. Protein, B. Fat, C. Carbohydrates, and D. Vitamins. So the correct option is A. Proteins. The next MCQ is which molecular structure of enzyme is essential for activity of enzyme? A. Primary structure, B. Secondary structure, C. Quaternary structure, and D. Tertiary structure. So the correct option is D. Tertiary structure. The next MCQ is secondary structure of protein is found in A. Trypsin, B. Insulin, C. Keratin, and D. Glucagon. So the correct option is C. Keratin. The next MCQ is the number of amino acids that have been found to occur in cells and tissue are A. 170, B. 25, C. 20, and D. 45. So the correct option is A. 170. The next MCQ is most protein are made of type of amino acid A 20, B 25, C 170, and D 200. So the correct option is A 20. The next MCQ is backbone of amino acid comprises of A CCN, B negative NH2 group, and C minus COOH group, and D minus H group. So the correct option is A. The next MCQ is bond present in alpha helix are A hydrogen bond, B ionic bond, C disulfide linkage, and D peptide bonds. So the correct option is A hydrogen bond. Thanks for joining me. I hope these mdcat MCQs help you sharpen your knowledge. Keep studying and stay tuned for more practice questions. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.